Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Tabitha, the owner of Elegant Living, and come on here and tell me hello. Tell me what you guys are doing on this fabulous Tuesday, and tell me where you're coming from, because you know I absolutely love to hear where you guys are coming from. Okay, today, everybody has been asking different tips, especially in our Elegant community. If you're not in there, you need to go get in there. In our community, we're talking about different things that you can add, tips and different things that you can do for this, basically before the holidays. And some different things that you can add, warmth and things like that to your home before the holidays reach us. So we're going to give you a tip today, what you can do to do that. But like I said, make sure you like, share, and comment all of this. And tell us where you guys are coming from. Hello, Tracy. Hello, hello, hello. And good afternoon. So tell me, do you guys really struggle with putting like some warmth into your home? You know, like throws and things like that? Well, I've got a tip for you today. And I got something to show you. So stay tuned. Okay, make sure you guys share and like and comment once again for a $50 gift card at the end of the month. So that's so important. I always want to reiterate that because you guys are loving this and we are going to be giving those away every single month. So, okay, let's get started. So if you guys really struggle with like getting some warmth into your house this time of year, my number one tip, besides these battery operated candles, which we talked about that in the fall workshop, one other thing that I love to do is to add lights and lamps. So anytime that you can add any kind of lights in your home, that is such a wonderful thing to do. And I totally recommend that because it just kind of gives this warmth and this glow in the house. And have you ever, I'm going to tell you kind of what I love to do. I love to drive around and during basically in the evening time and see beautiful homes in different subdivisions if you're like me. And one of the things that I love to see is a beautiful lamp lit up. It just kind of gives this warm, welcoming look. And who doesn't love a beautiful lamp? So today I am actually going in and remodeling and doing some remodeling in my own home. And in the Elegant community, I'm taking you along with that. And I'm showing you guys all different things to do. If you're in my community, you guys will get to see my front door. It has been repainted and restained and all the things. So I am so excited about that. I love to update things in my own home. And honestly, I don't know why, but it's harder for me to pick those things out in my own home than it is for someone else. It's weird. It's just really weird. But I have made some decisions. So if you'd like to see some of those, get in the Elegant community. I'm sure you guys will be seeing pictures and updates, but we're going to be showing you how to do that and how to come to those conclusions and all the tips and stuff like that in the Elegant community. Hello, Rochelle. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay, so getting back to the lamps, that's one way I love to add warmth to my house. I even have them out here on my sun porch. I love lamps. So today I had a minute and I thought I'd go into Home Goods and I found an amazing little thing here. I'm going to turn this around and show you guys what I found. If I know how to do this. Lexi's not with me, so I need to see how to do this. Hang on. I think it's right there. Okay, I found me some gold lamps. If you guys know, you know that I have been thinking about adding some gold into my decor. And I found these fabulous. Look at these beautiful. I love these lampshades. And so I found them on sale at Home Goods. I found them on sale for $49 a piece. Can you believe that? I just love them. They're very classic and timeless. If I can do this myself, I'll show you. But look how pretty that is. Is that not pretty? Oh my gosh. And I found them for $49 a piece. So when you're wanting to add some warmth, when you're wanting to add some warmth and some texture and all the things in your home, make sure you look at all the lamps because lamps can make a huge difference in your decor, especially in your living room and especially in all the different areas of your home. Living rooms, buffets, end tables, things like that. And in your bedroom, it's really pretty to have matching lamps of 2 in your bedroom. So I think I possibly might be putting these in my own master bedroom on each side of the nightstands. So although I'm really wanting to update in my dining room and put a buffet in there. So stay tuned. I'll show you where I'm putting my lamps. I haven't quite decided where I'm going to put them. I'm going to find a spot for them. But I did buy 2 of them because I really want them flanking somewhere. And for $49, you cannot go wrong. And what a wonderful thing to add some warmth to your house. So my question for you guys today, is, where do you need warmth? So if you need some warmth to your home, do you honestly, do you buy lamps in 1 or 2s? I love that because I am one of these people that anytime I buy something, I buy them in 2s because I always think, oh, I can always put them somewhere. So if you need some warmth in your home, think about putting a new lamp. There's nothing like a beautiful new lamp in your house to give you some inspiration. So that's my tip for you guys today. And have a wonderful day. And I have to get back to work now. Lexi's like, hello, Mom, coming to work. Okay, guys, thanks so much. And let me know, do you buy your lamps in 1 or 2s? I'm a 2 gal. Bye, guys.